From the recycling and pelletizing factory, the material arrives at our factory in 5,000 kilo bags. The recycled material is aspirated through a vacuum system from where it goes to the mills, the melting system, and the injection molds. Our products comply with the German regulation DIN EN 122557 and the European Union Manufacturing Certificate DIN EN 19557. The different media have great resilience to recovery by compression and great resistance to chemical, physical, and biological agents with which they are in contact during the usage. Models A and B are used in trickling filters, biological air filters, submerged beds, and exchange towers. Models C and C2 are used for moving beds and phase exchange towers. Models CT and C2T are used in salt water. Models A and B are packed in 160-liter bags and 3 cubic meter bags. Model A is also packed in mesh bags of various capacities. Model C and C2 are packed in 100-liter bags. Once the material is packed, it is palleted and prepared for dispatch.